Hello friends, my name is Lavin Anthony. My project teammates' names are MD Wasim, Ranoj Ratnesh and Krishna Kumar Singh. We have done the project entitled Automatic Conveyor System for Furnace Material Handling, and we have done this project in the company Shadlow India Limited. The title for our project is Automated Conveyor System for Furnace Material Handling. The students' names are MD Wasim, Krishna Kumar Singh, Ranoj Ratnesh, Lavin Anthony. We have done the project in the company Shadlow India Limited. So as we can see, material handling is the function of moving the right material to the right place in the right time, in the right amount, in sequence and in the right condition to minimize production cost. So the goals of our automated material handling process was to reduce the unit cost of production, reduce manpower, to maintain the product quality, reduce the manufacturing cycle time, reduce damage of materials, promote safety and improve working conditions, promote productivity as the following points suggest. So this picture shows the manual handling process that was before we began our project in the company Shadlow India Limited. And our project includes automatic material handling with the help of conveyors. So as we can see, the mentioned effects depicts the bad effects of manual handling of furnace materials. So as we can see from this graph, that if the total time duration is short, then if you are using manual handling, then the quantity of materials that we can move is very low. But if you are using conveyors during short time, the quantity of materials that we can move will be very high. So these are the components that we assembled to actually make our conveyor. So we designed this conveyor in CATIA V6 software. This is the bottom part. So we are going to power our conveyor with the help of electric motor. So this shows the assembly of a conveyor. This is the top view. This is the layout of a plant in which we had to do our project. So as we can see, we have 4 sort of components. The first one is furnace. Next we have 3 hammers. The first one is called molder, second is finisher, and third we are having hammer which does trimming and coining operations. So we are actually planning to place 4 of our conveyors, and 2 on each side will be connected with each other. So these are the advantages if we are using conveyor system for automatic material handling. The advantages are high working speed and standardization, powered by excess heat loss by furnace inside the industry. So by this point we can understand that we can obviously run the furnace without the help of a motor, electric motor, and we can use the excess heat loss by the furnace, and in thus our conveyor will be environment friendly. It will be helping us the ease of handling, and the manpower will be reduced. Thank you.